Coolant is circulated through the engine block and cylinder heads by a water pump. Typically, the water pump is an impeller-type pump driven by a serpentine belt off of the crankshaft pulley. Some vehicles have a water pump that is driven by the engine timing belt. On vehicles that have a conventional engine fan, the water pump pulley is the attaching point for the engine fan. The water pump is a centrifugal-type pump with a rotating impeller that moves the coolant as the impeller shaft is turned by the water pump pulley. The water pump housing typically includes the inlet port for coolant to flow into the water pump. The inlet is connected to the bottom of the radiator by the lower radiator hose. When the engine is started, the pump impeller pushes the water from its pumping cavity into the passages in the engine block through which the coolant circulates. When the engine is cold, the thermostat is closed. The closed thermostat prevents coolant from entering the upper radiator hose to the radiator. A bypass passage allows the coolant to continue to circulate through the engine during warm-up by routing the coolant that reaches the thermostat back to the water pump. When the coolant reaches operating temperature, the thermostat opens and allows the hot coolant to flow to the top of the radiator.